Bring your children to Eby'Obwegyese Preparatory.
Dr. Zam Kumbandura omukugu Eby'Obwegyese kurgo mu ihanga rya South Africa ahigira abanyashema obutebwa kumanya makuru agari mu Bwegyese obwabira ryo mugenyi mukuru ahishomero rya Eby'Obwegyese Preparatory School amukoro gwo kujweka abeje ba nasare kuzo mu primary yo kubanza hamwe no kushabira abeje bicyamushanju obwe hakobora yo bwire buke bakakora ibibuzo byabo ebyakamaririzo.
We commend our primary 7 candidates as they prepare their upcoming examinations.
A lot, and I think the teachers have done a significant job. I think we need to applaud for what they've done to the learners. And secondly, I think there are so many things that we might fail to do, but we must never fail to unite, work together, and educate each other. I like the slogan or the motto of the school, which gives us an idea that we must always be together at all times.
Uruhanga hangire akatomunsi okurigira Reverend Canon Wilson Amukwase urusaba Deacon wa Rwabutura ebembire kushabira abejaba ashemerire okugira kiyagasho munsi kutari kufisa bushobwire.
Hatware bo mukono gwawe oje turanganya bare okambanga byo kutangaza. Wale boine bigere no genda no simaranga kakanga utangaza. Wale boine bwongo no teka oje turangagira hata aje bare. Isiranga katangaji. When you are going shora era ojirechuwa gashaho. Go and do something. Eko jirechuwa gash. Jirechuwa kora abantu bakirebi. Rero hangama nengo akakwanga ngo jirechuwa gasira abantu be.
Omyaka 10 ekibasise kora mutindo gwishomero Eby'Obwegyese no kushanga ngu omuhururu iyo mwana w'umushiki etirwe herisho okusinga omojo Eby'Obwegyese Preparatory School amane kagato omukwingana sabana bona
bagenzere babe fera waza kureba generation hategerwe ya parents inyinji abakazi batekingire cyane kugira ngo abashija babirenga abasuru bo kumanya kugendo bisho hate kugeza kurangurwa twinga abantu kware abiki but most especially abozo babategwe fasi kandi abiki bo bakushorwa ba abatuba arke mboga abozo abiki bakushorwa ba. So we are doing well in our aspects, especially when it comes to inclusivity for both boys and girls.
Professor Kamsime ayongere yashobora ngo kutandikisa karabana kitira abana akasyo karungi kandi amashomera gandi gashemerire kukikora.
Ejebire culture yitu tuyatandika. We always have dedication, not in dedication y'abana, not only for primary 7 but also for top. The building the confidence y'abana. Akaba abana atwaza kuri exam. You can be doing very well, getting 4 in tests and other mocks. But when you are not confident, you can easily get 8 or 12. So abana bija baba blessing, especially when you have religious leaders come to bless them.
Considering mock examinations, the performance was so promising that we can make it. Our parents, don't fear, we are ready and prepared enough because our teachers have done all that is necessary for us to pass. You may join me and we give a thunderous hand clap to our parents.
Omuntu urukumanya kwegesa ukoreto umwana ukamwiha ahanso kamugunzura kaba minister kaba speaker kaba president ko kubareba tibitabo byonga hati kanko cyo kurebero hati nka boarding section omangana bindo kwa barire bagize ki nyo nango kuba kubundi bakatwatira nk'abashomesa bitwaba bakabahereza bakabajaka kuba bahereza tukatopinga. That is one of the ways government yaza kutereza
mweyihe nteka yo kugira ngo government neza kureta buri kintu cyona ekwere school fees ekorere fo yawe ropate yo mwana apana mureke turgeyo nito tukopereza amashomera ga private.
Sky TV egambireho nabamwe ombeje bicyamushanju kandi aborekero kuvete bekanise.
Tomorrow tukureba komanka secondary ano gusamu wareba no picture noine kureba hari nyenda kuba soldier. I want to be a soldier. Can you show me come I should make my future bright so that I achieve what I need.
Dashi nimburanye n'amana go kugira ngo nziza gukora je byo bizamo
ahabwo kuba bacha bitu bakoze intervention erikumara bayemba tushomesa je to attending winters and preps ngene chumaisa ngo buri kimwe cyona turije obinte bya academics especially ntuchara kutegana siga mass konka ya twatandika vision ndebiro mu math twatandika improvinga kandi ibintu byona byaza mu style
gasha kwa Gerard Tugume abwa Sky TV ya Genshonga omuri Sheema.